Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 1st of October 2022. I am going to give you all my thoughts about GameStop. Okay, I'm going to give you all my honest opinion about GameStop. That's the only way I'm able to give you my content, right? I'm not here to shield you. I'm not here to pump you up about a short squeeze in GameStop. Nothing of that sort. I take this serious. I want to make sure that you all understand that this is a game that we can actually win. And I'm not going to come in and just simply pump stocks. That is wrong. And so many of these other YouTubers are simply getting paid because that's all they're doing. Because each and every one of you most likely would like to hear something that tickles your ears rather than getting real information. This is not a game. People are actually making money in GameStop. Whether it's to the upside, to the downside. The market is making money. It's a making money machine. So if you're trying to play the market to the upside in GameStop and price goes down instead, somebody who's playing the bearish side is making the money. They're taking your money if you're looking for price in GameStop to go up. You need to be on the right team. There's nothing wrong with switching teams in the stock market. You don't have to be a buyer 24/7. You don't have to be a buyer every day, all day. If you see price in any stock going up, be a buyer. If you see price in a stock going down, be a seller. Nobody can tell you which side to be on unless you become part of a movement. And it's this movement that has gotten so many people destroyed in GameStop and AMC. Others who is not a part of the movement has been winning because they're not allowing this movement to fog their thesis, to fog their ideas to what's really going on in the market. All right. So look at this. I did a video in GameStop, right? I'm telling you all, I was telling you all even in September the 18th, that price in GameStop is going to go down. Now, I get so much clowning on the comments of these videos that is ridiculous. And I want those people to understand, like, you cannot move the market that way. Even though you all feel a certain way about somebody coming out and telling you that price is going to come down, you don't impact this price. You're not going to impact me. I'm still going to give you all the real. If the price is weak, it's weak. There's nothing that you can do about it. There's nothing that I can do about it. The only thing that we can do is get in position and capitalize from it. So this stock in GameStop is weak. And I'm going to show you all, even from a long-term perspective, that the market is still weak in GameStop. So why are you going to continue to listen to people who's telling you that we're going to get a short squeeze? The stock chart clearly is telling us that that is not likely right now. Look at GameStop right now. This is in a downtrend. The price in GameStop is even breaking this long-term ascending line. That tells me that the buyers, those people on YouTube, those on social media, pumping this stock ain't working. It's not working. Those people who is pumping the stock in GameStop is not working. So let me show you all something else. Okay. Now I'm already in position. So if I'm still thinking that the price in GameStop is weak, that it's going to crash, I'm already at a level that I would anticipate the buyers coming in. I'm already there. But let me show you the 3 months chart in GameStop since it's completed. Let me show it to you. Now, I'm one of the strongest proponents out here telling you all that charts don't lie. It don't. People lie. People have ulterior motives. Those are the ones who's lying and deceiving you. But this chart, it's not lying. It's the real. If you see price doing something, you best believe what it's showing to you. This 3 month price chart tells me that the market in GameStop is still weak. It is not a buy. The stock is still prepared to go lower. At least in the next 3 months. At least. Now, it might happen quick, or it might take the whole duration of 3 months before the price actually continues to go down. Now, why do I say that? Look at this. So we have a cumulative of 9 months right here. Okay, right here. This horizontal line represents to where the top in GameStop is at. The last 9 consecutive months, understand this, price in GameStop could not break $50. I understand it was a split, so that's why the market is showing 50. I understand it was higher than that prior to the split, but we get it. This is a lid. This is a massive lid. Now, let's say for instance that GameStop was able to close on this 3-month price bar right here. Let's say that it was able to close up here at the high. Then you will be bullish. Then you will say, yes, GameStop is going to go up in price. But look at where we closed anyway, though. Down here. So the job of the next 3 months is for us to see buyers hold this level now, down here. But you have all of this information right here that is pushing on this small little support area of $20 in GameStop. All of this weight right here is price pushing on this small support area. That's how I know that GameStop is still weak. That's why I'm predicting the price in GameStop is still going to go down. I understand you all don't like to hear that, because you buy in the market, because you think that there's going to be a short squeeze to occur in the market in GameStop. You don't think the market realized that you beat them at their game on the last short squeeze, that they had to cheat, that they took away the buy button. So why are you trying to buy something that you know they got the advantage of taking something away from you? That, like, it doesn't make any sense. Even to this day, you have people talking about a short squeeze in GameStop. Even to this day, you got people talking about a short squeeze going on in AMC. Guys, they took away the buy button. Like, if you're going to have an opponent that's going to cheat at the game, why do you think they're going to really give you a short squeeze? Right? You beat them at their game the first time when you call them with their pants down. But now they're not going to let it happen twice. That's asinine. Why are you expecting them to play fair? Why? You don't understand the market if you expect your opponent, your competition, to play fair. This is about making money, period. So you can let go all of that inspirational talk. If you want inspirational talk, you should not be in the stock market. This is where the sharks play. This is where people try to take your money and not give it to you. So yeah, I'm still bearish in GameStop. I'm not going to change my price prediction. I wanted to show you all the longer term basis to confirm that there's still weakness here into the market in GameStop. The only thing that's going to stop the weakness is this area right here, around $21, maybe 20, around that area. This is now the time, okay, for us to see buyers. If they show up, then the market's going to consolidate and trade range bound. If they don't, we're going to crash. Yes, GameStop's price is going to crash, and it might come all the way down to $10, right? $10 down here. Well, let me take that to 15. I'll say 15 first. We'll see the market come all the way down here to 15. Now, check this out. The market in GameStop hasn't traded this low since the short squeeze started back in 2021. Outside of that, it hasn't traded since 2013. 2013. And looking at this on a long-term basis, I wouldn't even be surprised to see that happen. So that's it, y'all. I'm done. Give me your thoughts. I'm not going to change my price prediction. I think I did have a price target right here, so hopefully y'all was able to nibble 16% off the market. Just go back and listen to my last video. It's still there. I'm not sure. I think I did have a price target at 24. So if you was able to profit off that move down, congratulations. But I still suspect we got a little lower to go. So go back and listen to my last video to get my price targets. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, I'm out.